Hi everyone, Luis here from Lowepro. This is the M-Trekker SH150. So you can see this comes in two colors. It's a compact little shoulder bag for your mirrorless kit, small DSLR kit. Colorway 1 is our gray two-tone Canvex, and our second colorway is a classic black Cordura. Both of these fabrics are super abrasion resistant. They're very durable fabrics. They have a durable weather resist coating on the exterior and a polyurethane coating on the back for extra resilience against weather. So on the front of the flap you'll find a simple zippered pocket, good for holding small items. Either side has got stretch pockets, great for a quick stash of a lens cap or something like it. Backside, zippered pocket, good place to hold a Metro card, your phone. And then we have removable shoulder straps. So this is an alloy buckle on either side. You can take it off and you have a nice padded shoulder strap. Under the flap, two buckles, and you're gonna hear the Velcro rip. So that's extra secure, but if you don't want that Velcro rip, if you want it to be nice and quiet, we have a little silencing system. Now it's quiet. Okay, underneath we've got a memory card pocket and we've got a divider system. Got a tablet pocket in the back, two pedal dividers on either side, and these dividers have a pocketed divider. So one of these dividers is a good place to stash little cables and items like that. Just under the flap, we've got one more slash pocket. So this has got key leash inside and two slash pockets within to help you organize your papers and other little goodies. There's that flap with no Velcro. Put that down secure. And this is the M-Trekker SH150 in two colors.